How do you find all marital assets during a divorce? Imagine trying to piece together a puzzle where some pieces are hidden or hard to find. That's exactly what discovering marital assets can feel like during a divorce. The first step is understanding what counts as a marital asset. These are assets acquired during the marriage, no matter whose name is on the title. This includes income earned, real estate bought, vehicles purchased, bank accounts opened, retirement accounts, investments, personal property, and even businesses started from the wedding date until the divorce is finalized. It's important to know that assets owned before marriage or received as gifts or inheritances are usually considered separate property. But if these assets are mixed with marital assets or their value increases because of marital efforts, they might become part of the marital estate. For example, if an inheritance was deposited into a joint bank account or used to buy a family home, it could be considered marital property. Also, if a separate property appreciates in value due to work done during the marriage, that increase might be included in the division. Next, gather all financial documents. Look for tax returns, bank statements, brokerage and retirement account statements, property deeds, vehicle titles, business records, loan documents, credit card statements, and insurance policies. These records help identify what assets and debts were acquired during the marriage. Creating a detailed list of everything you find is essential. Include real estate, vehicles, household items, financial accounts, retirement plans, stocks, bonds, and business interests. Don't forget to consider intangible assets like royalties, copyrights, or professional licenses that might have value. Once you have your list, determine the current value of each asset. For property or businesses, getting an appraisal or valuation is wise. For financial accounts, use the latest statements. For retirement accounts, request benefit statements to know their worth. Sometimes, assets are hidden or not fully disclosed. Watch for unusual financial activity or transfers. During divorce proceedings, legal tools like subpoenas or discovery requests can help uncover any undisclosed assets. It's also important to consider how assets might have been commingled. If separate property was mixed with marital property or appreciated because of marital efforts, it could be classified as marital. For example, if an inheritance was used to buy a family home or deposited into a joint account, it might be considered part of the marital estate. Reviewing any prenuptial or postnuptial agreements is also key, as these documents can specify what assets are considered separate or marital. Finally, working with family law attorneys, forensic accountants, or financial experts can make a big difference. They can help identify, value, and trace assets, especially if there are complicated situations or hidden assets involved. Properly identifying all marital assets ensures a fair division and helps both parties move forward with clarity.